I met Harold only once, in my Watsu tree hands-on, specifically in the Ursula's farm, localized in the countryside of São Paulo state. This was exactly 20 years ago. I remember that I had my laptop and I think I was the only one in the group that had this device, and then Harold asked me to help him to communicate by email with his place in the US. It was a great milestone in my training as a physical therapist. I can say that I was a professional before I met Harold, but after the Watsu 3, I dare to say that there was a profound change in relation to the water itself, with the patients and with my university undergrad students. They were unforgettable moments, especially for the training group and for each one receiving therapy from an enlightened person. It seemed that when he entered into the water, everyone was anesthetized. Even the water surrendered. And as a professional in the field responsible for the training of so many students, I take the opportunity to share a bit of the 2019 Aquatic Physical Therapy course, where the students at the end, with their patients, performed a Watsu Day. It's been a thrill to remember this after 20 years. Simply rewarding. A toast to Harold.